Well guys, so we're going to get straight into it. This is my feedback for the day for this first sketch, which I'm really happy with how it turned out. Yes, it's not the greatest, but it is still improvement on the faces that I've been doing even a month ago. For those that don't know, my method that I've been doing to create quicker, to gain the level of drawing which I wanted to gain and very quickly, I have been doing what's a learning method that you can utilise for any topic, not just art, so it's anything, and this is called Good Speed, which if you want me to go more in depth with, I can in a different video, but for now this is just a breakdown on my analysis for this drawing. So 1, 2 and 3 drawings, and then the fourth space you have an analysis and summary of what you felt you achieved and what you feel that you either have to improve or something that you're really happy with. Overall, I'm actually really happy with all 3 of them. There are different things on each of them that I would like to improve. For instance, that part of the nose as well as this part of the nose, but I feel as if this nose was captured a lot better, especially with the size of the face. I did manage to get the hair a lot better in this one. I have been practicing my hair, which hopefully you can actually see compared to the previous videos, and each one I used gestural and observational methods, along with using my mind's eye where like the middle of the face would be, along with structuring where the eyes and the nose, the cheekbones and obviously the mouth would be placed. The third one is a lot more narrower than the other ones, purely because I wanted to see if it actually affected the overall end result, which I believe it created a good look, especially the fact that I didn't have a lot of space in this area either. But I'm really happy with these drawings so far for the day, and I am improving my pressure that I put on the pencil onto the paper. I'm not as heavy-handed, which previously I have been very heavy-handed. For example, right there, that's really heavy-handed and there's no need for that. Really happy with the outcome for today. I shall see you next time. Bye!